Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you quick and easy steps to renewing your Costco membership through their website. So first, we want to use our browser of choice to search up Costco, and we want to click on the first link where it says Welcome to Costco Wholesale. Once we finish that, we simply want to log in where it says account right here. It usually says sign in or create account. But since I'm already logged in, it just simply says account. Once we finish that, we want to navigate a little down to where it says memberships. And as you can see, there's a drop-down menu which has the following options of join today, renew membership, etc. And the one that we want is renew membership, so simply click on that, and this will redirect us to this page right here, where it says we have to enter our membership number right here. Now, once you renew your membership number, or if you can't find it, you want to click on this link right here. And as you can see your membership number behind your Costco membership card. You could see it on your digital membership card, or if you have a Costco Anywhere Visa by city, you can look at the membership behind it as well. Once you finish that, you simply click on add membership number, and that's it. You can also set up auto pay to auto renew your payments, but that is up to you. Just make sure don't forget to cancel it if you do want to. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I hope you save some money. Thanks for watching.